In this tutorial, we'll learn how to scale an image using GIMP. GIMP is an open source, freely available, freely downloadable image editing software that you can install on either a Windows or a Mac computer. Alright, so I'll search for GIMP using the Spotlight on my Mac and I'll launch GIMP. Be patient, it takes a little while. So you want to make sure that you wait. You do not want to double click on a file and open it. When you do that, by default, because the file image has a .jpg extension, the operating system will open your file using some kind of a preview program. On a Mac computer, the program is Preview. I'm sure there is a previewer on Windows as well. But the previewer programs only allow you to view the image. They do not allow you to edit the image. And our goal is to edit the image. So we need GIMP to edit the image. Okay. So you do not want to double click on an image and open it. What you should do is open GIMP, first launch GIMP, and then go to File, Open menu, and then find wherever you stored your image and open it. Now, if you downloaded your image from Desire to Learn, it is highly possible that your image was downloaded in the Downloads folder in your home directory. So you might want to go to your home directory, go to Downloads folder, and find your downloaded image there. My image is saved somewhere else, so I'm going to find it. I'm going to open it from there. Okay. Now when you look at this image, if you notice at the bottom, you'll see that this image is actually zoomed at a different level. It's 33.3%. It's not 100% of the image. Basically, GIMP, when you open an image, it automatically adjusts so that the image fits in the window. So if I change the zoom level to 100%, you'll notice that this is a much bigger image than what you initially saw. You have to actually scroll up and down and left and right to see it. So I'll just go back to the original, the 33% zoom level, so that I can see the entire image. And now our goal is to scale this image, is to make it slightly smaller. Okay, so click on the image drop down menu and select scale image. This will allow you to scale your image to whatever size you want. And notice that the image width and height are in pixels. And it's not that intuitive to talk about image size in pixels. So we'll instead change this to inches, because we normally talk about images in inches. And I'm going to change the height of this. So this image is currently 10 by 6, 10.027 by 6.667 inches. I'm going to change the height to 4 inches and hit enter, and you'll see that the width changes automatically to maintain the aspect ratio of the image. So I changed the height to 4, the width changed automatically when I hit enter, and then now you can go ahead and click scale. Okay, so now you can notice the image became slightly smaller. Once you're satisfied with whatever you want, let's go ahead and export this image. Make sure you know where it's being saved. My image is being saved in my home directory, Documents, Digital Media, in the GIMP folder. Okay, so make sure that you are saving it in the right place. If I want to change the location, I can just go to desktop, and if I want to save it on the desktop, I can save it here. I'm going to change the name of the file to girl image scaled _ my name. and export it as a JPEG. And you'll notice that there is a small window that pops up in the back. So if nothing happens for a long time, just minimize your windows and see if there is something that needs attention. We'll talk about this window in the next tutorial. For now, we'll ignore it and click on export. And now if I go to my desktop, I should see girl image scaled underscore my name. And this is how that image looks like, right? So that's about it for how to scale. Thank you.